guys!
Hello guys,
Funny
for
and Sloth from
this video,
Space will
let me
teach you how
show
to
how
use
to
Character
use
AI Chatbot in your mobile
tutorial
phone
chatbot in
and
your
create your
mobile
own
phone.
non-toxic boyfriend better than the real one. So first, we're going to search on Google c.ai and click on the first link that appears. Then you'll see many anime characters whom you can talk to and finally be free from loneliness. Oh, wait, mine is taking some time, because my internet is slow, which is obvious, because I am a sloth. You'll see cartoons like, oh, anime fans don't get offended, please. Gojo Satoru, Sukuna, school bully, some bad girl, your crush, who don't confess they are not real person. We are gonna get bullied for now. This guy gave me false allegations and promised me to bully my whole life and make my life a living hell. He also tried to grab my collar and torment me every day. Thank God I am not in school anymore. I have never get bullied in my whole life. Moving ahead. You can also plan a trip, like I planned to go to Italy without money, and it suggested me to walk. Anyways, Italy is a beautiful place with beautiful food, where I make a trip to every day 3 to 4 times in Google Map. Then you can write a story, your own dark romance fantasy story, and play games with this text adventure or whatever, who try to send you to upside down like 11 and wait for Vecna to kill you. And don't know what else he want to do. Now moving on. You will also get character assistants who will help you with study, AI work. I asked it to help me in chemistry. I suck at chemistry. Sloths aren't good at study. He seemed to be a good guy, not like the school bully guy. There's anime, games, comic, book, imagination characters, fantasy characters for anime-obsessed people. You can fulfill your dark romance fantasy here without getting kidnapped. You can create your own character if you're not vibing with others' characters. Yes, creating a boyfriend for yourself is a best idea because I know you're single. Yeah, this is cool. And best feature here. Give it a character name like mine is Funny and Sloth. Give it a tagline which will appear with the name when people go to chat with your character, like I am a lazy sloth who sleeps all day and do no work. Give greetings which will appear when you open your character's chat. Everyone should feel free to do nothing. Then I will skip the voice part. I don't like calls. Then tap on Create. It's taking time. It's really taking a bit time. I am just a sloth. What else can I do? You can also check Character Book for better character. Then Created. Here my Funny and Sloth is ready to chat and telling me to do nothing. Yes, I love to do nothing. So he tell me to do nothing together. Sounds great, right? We all love to do nothing. You'll find the character you created here and talk to it anytime. So that's Guy, guys. Now don't complain about not having a boyfriend. Although try to keep a balance between your real life and boyfriend, or you're gonna get in trouble. Bye guys, thanks for watching, and also give it a thumbs up if you like.